What your partner needs is completely different than what you need. But most couples skip repair because we don't know how to do it. It was not modeled for you at home. Culture doesn't teach us about repair. We're learning about relationships from Disney and Hollywood rom-coms and on social media, like the quintessential couple you love to hate. Like nobody is teaching us about repair. So what do? We take this rug right here and we just sweep, right? Just get all the blame. We're just going to sweep it under the rug. That time you did that thing, I'm just not going to say anything, or I'm going to just suffer in silence. And then I'm just going to put the rug right here. I'm going to step over it. I'm just going to pretend that's not over. What rug? What mound of stuff that's right here? No repair equals resentment.